Hi everyone, Sherry from Glitter Witch Gardens, and I'm here today to talk about mocktails and show you how to make a very simple mocktail. It is a blueberry thyme herbal spritzer with very few ingredients and no added sugar. Yay! So the things that we have here is we have some fresh thyme, we have fresh blueberries, we have a little bit of ice, and this is by no means any kind of brand endorsement. Just get some either lemon juice that's real lemon juice or a whole lemon, and then a can of seltzer, also known as club soda. The couple of items that you might need in addition to that would be, if you want it to look really pretty, of course you want a clear glass. But you also want some kind of fine mesh strainer that will allow you to put through juice without any of the pulp. You want a spoon so you have something to mush the blueberries down with. And of course, you can use your hands or you can use a sharp pair of scissors to trim the thyme. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our fresh blueberries and we're going to do about a handful. We want some nice plump blueberries in there, and we're going to put them right in our strainer, and we are going to mush. So we're going to press those down, and we're just really going to mush them in there, trying to get some of that blueberry juice, which these don't seem to be very juicy. There we go. We may need a few more. So this is live without practice. You're seeing some of the issues that you might have from your concoctions here. So this is not really, oh, there we go. We got some blueberry in there. So we want some of that blueberry essence down in there. Takes a little effort. That's okay. That's what makes it good, right? Okay, so we've got some good blueberry goop in the bottom. That's what I like to call it, goop. That is my official term. I should put that in my terms in FAQ, right? What is goop? Okay, so now that we have this big mess, we're just going to set this off to the side. We're going to let it drip on the table there. And we are going to put about a tablespoon's worth of lemon juice. This is a smaller glass, so I'm just going to put enough to make it tangy. And then, of course, shake the lemon juice. Don't shake the seltzer. So we're going to take our seltzer and we're going to pour it in there. It's going to bubble up a little, so you need to leave room for some of the bubble. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So we're just going to take our spoon and kind of stir it up a little bit and mix some of those flavors. And then for a decorative measure, you're going to do a couple of sprigs of thyme on the side. You can also do a lemon wedge if you wanted. But then I'm also going to take some of these really fresh tips and I'm going to cut them and I'm going to kind of mush them up really good. Take my fingers and just take some of those little leaves and let them sprinkle right on top. I'm going to put the stems down in there so that I can add that back to Mother Nature into the compost. Right? And the birds this time of the year, there's snow on the ground, so any extra for the birds and the squirrels and the little mice out there is really helpful. So now that we have some of this muddled up in there, get some of that juicy thyme flavor in there, that will offset some of the sweet. So you just want to give it one more mix. And then for added measure, if you'd like, you can add an ice cube to make it nice and cold. And then we're just going to take a taste. Delicious.